Are you a startup or someone who is planning to start a blogging journey and you are looking for a most affordable hosting plan in the market? Then you are in the right video. I am Dinkar Divagaran from Softwares Forever. Today I am talking about the most affordable and the cheap hosting plan in the market, the Hostinger. So today I will be discussing on these points: uniqueness of Hostinger, how to buy shared hosting at a cheap price. Are you paying monthly or an annual fees for your SSL? Then I will show you how to get a one-time SSL for your domain from Hostinger. Please watch till the end as we have a surprise gift for you. Let's see what is unique in Hostinger. Compared to other hosting plans, the pricing of Hostinger shared hosting is very competitive. Almost 80% discounts Hostinger is providing for their shared hosting plans. And most of the shared hosting plans, you'll be getting a free SSL certificate. And for premium hosting plan, you'll be getting a free domain. From premium hosting plan onwards, all hosting plans, you can host up to 100 websites. I feel this is very unique from the shared hosting point of view. Visit Hostinger by provided the link in the description. So once you visit Hostinger, you can go to hosting menu, click that and click shared web hosting. Okay, it will open up a shared hosting page. So here you can see the web hosting and the free domain, all the details about that, and we'll go and see the pricing. So here you can see all the pricing. So there are three plans: single shared hosting, premium shared hosting, and the business shared hosting. So in the single shared hosting, you can have only one website. You can design, and then you have 30 GB SSD storage space, and approximate 10,000 user visits is allowed, and one email account they will provide, and you will get a free SSL with the basic plan as well. And for the premium, you can have up to 100 websites, 100 GB storage, free email, free SSL, free domain, and you have unlimited databases, and and also for the business, there will be unlimited database, 100 websites. The storage space is more there, and user visits more than 1 lakh user visits. Unlimited bandwidth for the premium as well as the business plan. And the business, you will get a free CDN and the daily backups. Okay, and also unlimited database is available. So our suggestion is for a startup, so better go for a premium shared hosting. Okay, you select that plan. Once you select, it will open up this page. Here you can see, you can select the plans, like is a 1 month, 12 month, 24 month, or the 48 month. So when you select those, you can find out the savings, how much you can save. As per us, the better options will be the 48 months, because almost for 4 years, you don't need to worry about your hosting plan. So you can see here, it's coming around $95, and you are saving almost $393. So that's a huge saving, and you don't need to worry for 4 years. That is the main thing. So here you can create your account and select your payment option and make the payment, and you will get your domain. So here you can see the split up of the pricing. The 48 months plan, actually it cost $489, but you are getting it for $95 after including all the free plans and the discounts of 80% discounts. And you can submit the secure payment. Let's see how you can buy a one-time SSL for your website. So you go to the Hostinger and you go to the footer. So there you can find cheap SSL certificate link. Okay, so you have to select that, click that link. Then you can go to this page. Here you can buy a one-time SSL certificate. So you can see $11.95 for one-time SSL certificate. That is a one-time fee, means that is a lifetime fee for your website, and it is compatible for almost 99.9% of it's all the process, and this can be used for the personal and e-commerce use. And if you are not satisfied with this, there is a money back guarantee. So buy cheap SSL from Hostinger. So here is our surprise gift. Purchase the Hostinger hosting plan from us, and our customers in India will get a free watch. Our customers outside India will get free ebook and a 5-page WordPress website design service from us just for $30. The details are given in the description box for claiming the surprise gift. Also visit our website www.softwaresforever.com.